Hello everyone, this is Arif from Tech with King, and in this video I'm going to review another cheapest gaming keyboard. So let's get started. So here is the box of the keyboard. So let's start with the unboxing. So the keyboard from the Havit company, multimedia keyboard, 8 gaming button. So it has a gaming buttons. It gives particular button for the gamings. So the model number is HVKB327, and I have bought this from local market. It cost me around 500 rupees. Yes, in 500 rupees we get a gaming keyboard. So here is the box of this keyboard, as you can see. So let's unbox it. So I have opened the box. So here is the keyboard. Let me just take out the keyboard and put this box side. So here is the keyboard, gaming keyboard from the Havit company. It cost me around 500 rupees only. So as you can see, it look like gaming keyboard. It has extra button side, as you can see, play. Here is also have some extra buttons, as you can see, and this buttons is for particular gaming. This button is used for gaming. So as you can see, from the back we have branding over here, stand. So this is the USB keyboard. As you can see, it is a wired keyboard. In my previous video I already reviewed the gaming keyboard of this. This is the keyboard from QLX. This is also a gaming keyboard lookalike, but this is the new one I've bought. You can see my previous video. From past 6 months I am using this keyboard. Now here is the new keyboard. It's lookalike gaming keyboard. So as you can see here, this is the buttons of the keyboard. The side buttons also working perfectly, and lights also blinking here. All the buttons are working perfectly. So here is the gaming cheapest keyboard. It's not a gaming keyboard, it's not a RGB, but it look like gaming keyboard that who can buy have low budget, who have low budget, that they can buy this keyboard. It's look like gaming keyboard but not a gaming keyboard, but you can use as a gaming keyboard while using these buttons and side buttons. So that's it for this video. If you want to buy this keyboard, you can search in offline market, but I give the link in the description or of different keyboards, not the same company, but you can buy this same lookalike keyboard in different company. You can buy it from the link in the description. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click to bell icon, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.